If your Windows 11 25H2 update failed to install or reverted with error codes like 0x0x081 or 0xe19001, here is the complete step-by-step resolution roadmap.
First, open Settings by pressing Windows and I. Navigate to System, select Troubleshoot, click Other Troubleshooters, and hit Run next to Windows Update to apply automated fixes.
Second, go to System and Storage. Open temporary files and remove old installation files and update cleanup to free over 30 gigabytes. Also, disconnect non-essential USB devices and pause third-party antivirus shields.
Third, open Command Prompt as administrator. Run DISM Start Component Cleanup, then Restore Health, followed by SFC Scanout to repair damaged system files in the WinXS store.
Fourth, flush the update cache. Stop the update services. Rename SoftwareDistribution and catroot 2 folders to .old and restart the services to generate a brand new update database.
Fifth, download the official Windows 11 installation assistant from Microsoft. Run the installer as administrator to bypass local update client orchestration.
Sixth, perform an in-place upgrade with the official 25H2 ISO. Mount the disk image, launch setup, choose Keep Personal Files and Apps, and install for a guaranteed fix with zero data loss.
These update errors occurred due to WinXS manifest mismatches, missing prerequisite staging for enablement package KB5054156, or third-party filter driver blocks during SafeOS boot. Press Windows and R, type WinVer and verify that your system is running Windows 11 version 25H2 build 26200. Your PC is now fully updated and secure.